Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In fact, it's been a while since we posted a video here. The last time a video was posted on this channel is about 2 months ago. And the reason why we are not posting videos for now on the channel is that we are considering changing our name. Simply because we wanted to get a website for the channel and we intended using onlineofficeteacher.com. Unfortunately, that domain name is not available for us to register. Because of that, we are forced to change the name of the channel. So we're just searching online looking for the best name we can use for the channel, of which we can also register a domain for it so that both the channel and the website will have the same name. In fact, we recently posted an announcement with regards to these particular changes. So upon series of deliberations and our search online, we are able to come out with this name, Template Warriors. So instead of Online Office Teacher, our new name is going to be Template Warriors. As you can see right here, our website is still under construction and we have some of our templates on it for sale. Even though the website is still under construction, but people can come here and buy some few templates we have already on the website. So after this announcement I'm making now, the next time you see our channel, it will now be Template Warriors and not Online Office Teacher. I hope you bear with us with regards to these changes we are making. One more thing I want to add is that going forward, we'll be concentrating on showing you how you can create templates for your businesses. For those of you who even want to make money online, you can learn how to create templates and sell them online. We even have plans to open our website for vendors to come here and sell their templates as well. When the time comes, we'll let you know about that. So for now, we are changing our name from Online Office Teacher to Template Warriors. And that's it for now. After this particular video, you will start to see new tutorials from the channel. Thank you for watching and good luck with your businesses.